All right, good morning, people. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Almost 7 a.m. Good morning, guys. Let me get Zoom up. Copy. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Oh man, this screen is bloody annoying. Stay. Fuck. Man, this screen's so annoying, it doesn't stay up. It does not stay up. Right, last chance I'm giving it. Session. Stay. The screen is always. So think about these portable monitors. The screens, the stand, it's not the best. Well, not the best if you have it vertical anyway. All right. Good morning, Zoom guys. What's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Let me just close this. Actually, I'm going to close this. It's a bit noisy. Let's get everyone in here. Welcome back, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Right, let's see. Morning, guys. Good morning. No sneeze this morning. What time is it? 7 a.m. Let's fix this. Don't full screen. Let me get everyone in here. See what we got for the day today. Let me just have a quick look at the news. I don't think we really have very much today. Yeah, nothing today. No news today. No news. No news. All right, cool. I think everyone's in. Let me just move this over here.
Recording in progress.
Aya. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's have a look here, see what we got for the day. Actually, let me see if I can bring this over here. No, it's too big. That's all right. So, is everyone in here? Yeah, I think everyone's in. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, man. Yeah, very quiet week. news-wise, but volume-wise, amazing. All right, let me just move this over here. I missed my screen. I had a screen in that other Airbnb. Now I don't have a screen. I missed my screen. So look at a Goldie here. You can see yesterday you've actually closed back below that 2400 level, which we were kind of seeing if we could respect that yesterday for a push up. You've actually now closed back below it. And in Asia, you have already come down, already grabbed the lows and starting to reject. So could we be looking for this to push down, break these lows and come all the way down and fill in Monday's wick? Yeah, it's possible. We have to remember we are also grabbing weekly lows. We're grabbing weekly lows without grabbing any weekly highs. So yeah, with the way the daily has closed bearish yesterday, you'd expect a little bit of a top wick then to see if you can pull back lower. I don't know how Asia went, but if Asia gave a top wick first, there were some very easy sells to come down and grab yesterday's low. Let me just have a look at my 4-hour chart here. 4-hour chart here, you can kind of see you had this push down yesterday. You broke below 2400, grabbed the highs, closed back bearish. You came all the way back up, retested it, and had a pretty nice push down in the US session. And now Asia today, you kind of found the support, grabbing the lows, closing above, but now also grabbing the highs and trying to come back down. So a little bit of a range by the sounds of it, a little bit of a range for now anyway. The nice thing is here on gold, we do have a major trend line coming down here now. So this will bring in a lot of people who will be trying to sell here on gold. And if most people are trying to sell here, we could see if we could get these longs back up into these regions today. Before, then maybe once you do get up here, you may see the push down into these overall lows. Or, you can look at sells. Oh, excuse me. You can look at sells. Maybe once you get, you break these lows, you're going to come down and fill in that wick. So if you break these lows here, you're going to have a 140 tick push down into there. But right now, this kind of looks like we're almost trying to form a left shoulder head, come back down for that right shoulder before seeing something like that. That's what makes the most sense to me right now. Unless we close below this level, you could look for some shorts. But right now, it looks like if we come down, grab some lows, hold above, we could be looking for longs. Just for a little pullback, nice little pullback into these regions. This is oh, the sneeze is coming. There it is. This is a 300 tick retracement back up into these highs here. So it would be a very, very 300 tick move. Be a very, very decent move. We get a portion of that. That'd be great. I would imagine right now, a lot of people will be trying to do something like this. Looking for this huge swing play down. Most people jump in these shorts, trying to get this big jackpot play down. Stops above these highs, and then boom, we can see if we get them longs. See if we get them longs up into them highs. Probably once we come down and maybe grab previous hourly lows. So could you take sells, let me just change the screen. Could you take sells into it if you get a bit more of a top wick? Maybe. I do think the nice thing about sells as well on gold, overall, once you do come up and grab some highs, is this liquidity down here. Like if you just ignore everything, these perfect equal lows look very nice to be grabbed. From back in end of July, these lows look nice to be grabbed. So if you pull back, and then you get the overall shorts, you have downside target into here, then all the way down is there, and that'd be a very, very big trade. That'd be a very big trade. Good morning, guys. Good morning, man. Good morning. So you kind of see here, gold, 30-minute. You've just come down. Let me see. Go zoom in a little bit here. You just come down. You start to find some support. I think you're going to re-grab the lows before any push up, which would also grab the hourly lows. I'm going to change my charts around here. Don't have me talking to on my days. Hey, what's going on, man? I'll make this chart the 30 and 15. 15. Yeah, 30 minutes coming back down for the lows. 15's also coming back down for the lows. We'll make this our 5-minute chart here. And we are basically trying to see if we can see it come back down into these regions a little bit more before seeing that potential push higher. But to at least re-grab them 30 lows, it does actually look pretty nice. Same as the 15 lows. You're almost creating like 2 equal lows here now. And you're given an instant top wick here. So you're looking to target down into there now. Would that be a worthwhile short? 14 ticks, not bad. You can come down much lower. Not a bad little play. Let me get the account up here. Let's get the demo account up for the day. Where are we? There we go, there we go. Morning, Alan. Good morning, man. What time is it? 8 minutes past 7. 8 minutes past 7. 15 starting to leave a pretty big rejection, but that can change at any point. No, I hid. 5 minutes coming back up a little bit more here. Good morning, man. $15 starting to flip bullish, says the 30. Yeah, 30 is pushing up nicely now. 5 minute looking pretty strong here. Not strong enough for me to want to buy just yet though. I'm not taking longs just yet. Not after that previous 30 close. I ain't taking buys here just yet. Not yet. Yeah, it looks like oh, is it Monday? Yeah. What did New York do yesterday? New York had a pretty decent push down yesterday. And then it kind of ranged a little bit as well. Looks like Asia kind of ranged a bit today as well. Bit of a choppy Asian session. Choppy Asian session. What's everything else? Has everything else started to recover yet? Or what? Yeah. S&P's trying to. NASDAQ trying to recover. Yeah, trying to. But where's Bitcoin at now, actually? Back above 55s. Look at that. Bitcoin back above 55s. Buying at 50,000. You're already up 13%. Look at that. Huge. Huge. I mean, you're currently grabbing previous 15 highs here now as well. So unless you get like a 15 fake out, then you can definitely have longs. You can worry about them lows later on. Bought around 50,600. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, great entry. Great entry. 2 minutes, 3 minutes till 15 is going to close here. Let's wait for that 15 close now. Don't forget to record the Zoom. Already on it, man. Already on it. 12 minutes too late. 12 minutes too late. Minutes trying to push up here. I mean, if this 15 does close like nice and bullish like this, it could be nice. Bite into that 30 and hourly close. How's the hourly looking? Yeah, hourly's all right. Hourly's still got ages. Hourly's the safest once you break the previous hourly highs, I think. Once you break them, you should be good for a decent drive. Nah, I didn't, man. They were quite nice though, weren't they? Once you hit, grab the highs, close back below. 15 closed nice and bearish as well. And then opened and pushed down very hard. 40, 50 ticks. This is nice. This is nice. Remember, we're also grabbing previous 15 highs that had no top wick. So you look at the 15 here. You're grabbing the previous 15 highs. So if you now start flipping bearish, you could have some sells for like over 30 ticks all the way back down to the 15 lows and much lower. It's a pretty decent 5-minute rejection there. Yeah, especially if this 30 can flip bearish as well. Where is that 15 flip? Around here. So 15 just closed, grabbing the previous 15 highs, holding the resistance. Could you grab the highs one more time? Or could you flip from here? No, I'll wait for it to probably get maybe back below here. See if we can get back below there. This 5 flip, you know, could be an interesting little risky sell with stops above that high, but I think I'm going to wait for it to close back below on the 5-minute. Just a 5-minute closure back below. Because even from here down into here, you know, you've still got 30 ticks. I think you can squeeze down a little bit more. So I'd rather be patient and wait for that. Yeah, you may grab them previous. If you do grab the previous 15 highs, then you can definitely take the break of that low. Because that would be the flip of the 15. Then you have a decent stop wherever this high is going to be. Then you'll get a very nice play down. Did you just grab the lows there? Yes, you did. Yeah. So you just grabbed the little 5-minute lows. Now you're having this little pushback higher. Creating almost like a little 15 double top here. Do you have any news tomorrow? What day is it? Wednesday. Tomorrow, unemployment claims, and then nothing on Friday. Nothing on Friday. Minute charts, not tick charts. I just never really looked at tick charts. I've always used the minute charts. So no, I'm not checking your questions, Robbie. I don't care about other people's, whether they're legit or not. I'm trying to take my own trades. I couldn't give a shit about who you think's legit or not, man. It's really not in my interest. Why does it matter who you think's legit or not? Who cares? Like, what impact does it have on your trading? Should be. Everyone else, you guys on Zoom, can everyone hear me okay? Am I on the right mic? Yeah. Yeah, cool. 15's trying to come back down here. Let's see if we get this 5 closure back below. See if we get a 5 closure back below. Yeah, all good. Cool. Yeah, now the flip. Yeah, possibly. If we get back below here, 30's trying to come back down as well. Obviously cranking. I'm not cranking, man. It's 7 a.m. I'm trying to take trades, and you come on these streams always asking me about other traders. Like, who cares? Like, what impact does it have on your trading success whether someone is profitable or not? Whoever you said, Raja, Donvo, like all these people, like, why does it matter if they're legit or not? Like what difference does that make?
Sending.
Especially when I'm trying to take my trades. Given my opinion whether I think they're legit or not, literally has zero impact. Yeah, Professor. Is Warren Buffett legit? No, Warren Buffett made all his money selling courses for sure. The wicks, whether the wicks grab previous highs or not, is very important for gold. Because any time gold's going to have a big move up or down, you're always going to come up, grab the highs, leave that nice wick rejection, then you can take the sells. If you don't wick the highs and you close above, then you need to see it close back below, then boom, then amazing. So I'm just kind of watching this 15 now, seeing if you can, maybe re-grab these highs, close below, and then take these sells. Because now you kind of got 1, 2, 3 equal highs. Focused on other people themselves. Yeah, 100%, man. That's the thing. I mean, I did it as well. Like, I'd always be thinking, like, oh, is this person legit? Is this person legit? But now I'm just like, who gives a shit? Who cares? Is that going to impact my trading success? Not at all. But if you're, like, worrying, like, is it possible to get good at trading? Well, we've answered that many times. We've asked that loads of times. It's like, it's not really hard to work out, can you be a successful trader? If you had bought here and sold up here, you would have made $1,000 with one contract. Surely that's enough to figure it out. Live in Bali and trade. Yeah, nice, man. Yep. Nice. I just trade gold personally, man. Just trade gold. Just trade gold. Yeah, Professor. Absolutely. Trying to get back below this level. You kind of grabbed the lows, held the support. I want to see some volume. I want to see some volume here in Goldie. Just wanted to know whether it's a goal to keep. What, a goal to make millions? Unless you're making a couple of thousand a month, don't focus on trying to make millions. A lot. A lot. I didn't actually mean to put that emoji on there, but you can have that now. Let's see if we close back below here on gold. Yeah, I got you, Craig. Minimum $100,000. Sorry, mate, we're quite chilled here in Australia. Yeah, I'm super chilled as well. I just don't have the desire to ask if I think other people are legit or not. Who cares? Not when I'm trying to take my own trades, man. But obviously you can make 150 grand a year. We've answered that loads of times, man.
Time to grow up.
Do you trade gold futures as well? Yeah, this is analyze on here, man. Execute on the gold futures as well, man. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, 15 for the first target. I'm trying to see if this 15 is just going to... more so, I'm just watching this 30, seeing if this 30 is going to come down and re-grab the lows and continue pushing. You kind of, you can kind of see here, you grab the highs, you close bearish. So could we see this 30 flip and continue pushing down like into these lows? That's what I would like, but the 15 minutes kind of not really showing me too much just yet. Appreciate your support. Yeah, of course, man. No worries. Absolutely. Yeah, spot's better for analysis, man. Yep, because it kind of it grabs highs and lows more than the futures chart will. So if that's something that you trade, oh yeah, that's a fucking great idea, right? That's a fantastic idea. We'll absolutely set that up. Yeah, the currency chart grabs highs and lows more, whereas the futures chart sometimes can leave like a perfect double top or double bottom. I don't know if it has yet today. But yeah, like, you know, this futures chart sometimes might not grab these highs. And if you're waiting for them to be grabbed, well, the currency chart will grab it, futures won't, and you'll still get the push down, so you'll miss the trade. So I just found it easier just to analyze the currency here, but execute on the futures. I definitely have that in a recording from yesterday as well. Five minutes here, holding this little support here on Goldie. Holding this little support. 170 people tuning in this morning. Awesome. You guys drop a little like to the stream. See if we get some bank today. The Welsh honey from Wish. Is Alice in here today? Where is he? Where is he? No. $10 per like. The margin call. 15's coming back up here now on gold. Last 5 of the 15, which has no bottom wick. So if we wick these highs, come down to create a bottom wick, this could be nice. Last 5 of the 30 as well. And where's our target? We got gold targets back up into like 2400. It's too low. Hey, tell them, man. You get them likes in there. Get them likes in there. See now, just grabbing the 15 highs. Grabbing the 15 highs. 30s looking quite strong. We are coming into big 30 resistance.
Invid.
Here he is.
Morning.
Oh man. What's going on, man?
Bit of a late in afternoon.
Must be nice.
It was actually.
I suppose you get that with 100% win rate, don't you?
Yeah. 18 in a row, not bad.
Yeah, props are good, Robbie. Yeah, props are good, man. Hey, Michael. Not yet, man. Not yet. Soon, potentially on this 30-minute close.
Alan, have you got a letter from your Prime Minister yet?
Come
Just
on.
because Wales are actually winning something for a change.
Oh.
No, what we
7
winning?
a.m. He started and you're 7 a.m. now. I wouldn't take that.
I
Unleash
don't
the
know what we'll
dragon.
win.
Heavy.
While Wales winning.
2 minutes. Yeah, struggling to increase your lot on your live account without adding more funds is pretty difficult. Yeah, you kind of need to because if you're just going to try and compound your account over time, you're going to end up blowing it. I mean, it depends how much capital you've got. But to me, I'll increase my lots as my capital grows and as I either put more in or continue to grow it without taking very much out. But yeah, prop firms are better to build that, or just any incomes really. It doesn't have to be prop firms. Oh, look at this 30. It's looking strong. Look at this Owly now as well. Owly looks like you're about to re-break the highs. Let's see if we get a nice strong 5 close here and see if we can get these gold buys. This is looking to be a really nice push now. Really nice push. Make a Discord channel so we can share our progress with you and good community interaction. Now, I've done that before. So it becomes free. I've had free groups where everyone can talk before. It just becomes too toxic and too messy. Plus, I don't have the time or desire to manage it. You can do that in the community anyway. There's a big look at this push up. Look at this. 45 ticks in 5 minutes. Look at this, re-breaking previous hourly highs here as well. Instant bottom wick, and you can have some gold buys here. Instant bottom wick, you have some gold buys. This is a huge push. Huge. No bottom wick on this 5 though, but this could be a lovely closure.
I got a nice daily level at 2,400.
Yeah, 2,400 is a nice level, man. Let's see if we get a bottom wick here and get some longs. Doesn't have to be huge because there's so much volume. I would just like it to be a little bit more so I can have a valid stop. What do you have into here? It's 2,400, 27, but where's your stop? Well, you can't really put it there because you're putting your stop loss right at resistance. Let's see. Could you put it on the low once you do flip and re-break the highs? Yeah, maybe. Let's see. I don't have any orders in just yet, guys. No orders in just yet. Sorry, question. Nah, it's all good, man. You can ask questions like that. That's all good, man. But to make 100 grand a year, it's just a percent game. So just work it out backwards. If you make 20, 30, 40% a year, 50% a year, you're doing very well. So if this does flip, when we could actually probably have stops below that low. It's not the safest, but it's the only kind of way I can actually see it being. Yeah, trend line's huge, man, huge. Let me see, I don't have any orders in just yet, guys. I'm just looking at this for now. Where would that be? We're looking around. Let me see. I'll be looking for maybe we could take the flip of the body. My only concern is having a stop below this current 5 low is kind of risky. But if there's that much volume, we should push. Like realistically, your stop should go below the 30 low, but that's huge. I'd rather wait for more little intraday liquidity grabs until then. Then engulf the opposite ocean using the time bar. Keywatch over the next couple of weeks. Adventure. Yeah, sounds good. Hurry up. I like that, man. It makes sense. I like that, man. I don't have any orders in here yet, guys. Nothing in just yet. The stops are a bit too funny for me. Unless we do start to reject it, like, you know, we're going to flip it like the last couple of minutes, then it could be worth it because you can manage risk quite quick, but it's a bit of a risky play. Only risky because, like I say, the stop should be like down here, but if I'm targeting 2400, that's a terrible risk to reward, which I'll get out of bed for that. We'll get a better trade than that today. But let's see. I'll put it on. So we would have gone in on. We'd have been on the flip. We'd be risking off the low. I'll write it here. I think you guys. I'm not in. Yeah, good at cutting losses. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's the key. That's the key. Cutting losses quick is the key. It'd be interesting to see if this 5 doesn't flip. If it doesn't flip and you start grabbing some lows and then breaking out, cool, then we have a much better valid stop loss. Join Discord this week. How long would you recommend before I could start actively trading? Depends on how long you've watched these streams for, man. I say watch these streams for at least 1 to 2 weeks to get a gist of how I trade. And then once it kind of makes sense to you, you know, then you can join and start. I mean, you can join anytime and start diving into all the content, man. But yeah, I'd say go for the funding side first. There's no point putting your own capital and then just blowing it and then quitting trading. You want to get consistent on there first. And once you get consistent on there, then yeah, absolutely you can start going into personal for sure. Yeah, maybe I don't know. Oh, depends how much you study the content, but you know, a week, something like that, you can start following along for sure. Definitely, man. Lots of content to go over as well. Buy stop now. I don't have a buy stop in here, man. I'm not taking this personally. I'm just drawing it up here. If we come back down, grab some 5-minute lows and then break out, then I'll absolutely take that because then I have a valid stop loss and a liquidity grab. But in terms of this 5 flip, no, I'm not in this one. I'm just drawing it up to see how it goes, but no, I'm not taking this one just yet. And it hadn't flipped in like 4 seconds, so we'd be cancelling this anyway. Because it's more so based off the 30 breakout, man. So down here, but I mean you'd manage like if you get probably back below here. But that's just what would make the most sense. Like a 5-minute stop loss on a 30-minute breakout, when you haven't really grabbed anything, you know, you'd have to have it at least like there, like below a previous 5 low. Unless you grab the lows and then break out, then we can have our stop below that low, and that would be a trade I'd actually look to take. So if this 5-minute comes down, grabs these lows, we could look for a break of this high, risk off wherever that liquidity grab is, and then we get a much nicer risk to reward. But yeah, it's more so just because it was based off a 30 breakout. But we don't have to, you know, sometimes if there's that much volume, you can just push from here, but in this situation, because the 5-minute lows are all the way down there, I can't manage my risk. Maybe if you close back below there, that's still quite large. Still quite large. Binge watch all your most recent videos. They like most is not to watch trades. Patiently wait for subs. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's the key. Same as yesterday. We took our trade live on stream yesterday about what 8:50 London time. So we waited like an hour and 50 minutes for it, which was crazy. But it was absolutely worth it as always. Where was it? Where was our gold buys yesterday? Where was our gold buys yesterday? 8:50. Here. Yeah, here. We took this little buy up here. We tried to get this whole push up. We couldn't get the whole push up, but we just took these little buys here, about 17 ticks. Yeah, it came at around 8:45 to 8:50 London time. There you go. So you just grabbed the 5-minute highs. You're now coming back down for the lows. So if you start re-breaking the highs, great. We do have to remember that hourly is still big resistance. But now that you have a liquidity grab here, if you re-break that high, you should be good to push. If you don't, you could push down, which is also fine. Key turning point for me to be profitable is less predicting, more reacting. Less predicting where you think the markets are going to go, more just reacting to what you see. In the beginning, everyone's so focused on being right and wrong, whereas for me, I don't care. If the markets are breaking to the upside, I'll go long. If they start breaking to the downside, cool, I'll look for sell setups. People like Nat, gold's gone up today. I'm like, fair enough. I don't fucking care. If it breaks out and gives me an entry, cool, I'll go long. If it breaks to the downside, oh, cool, I'll go short. I don't really care.
That's the difference in mindset, though, right?
Yeah,
That's
absolutely,
why
man.
your mindset is, one of the best out there, in my opinion.
Thank you, man. That's it. That's the key, man.
It is. Like, who actually cares what direction it goes?
Yeah.
You only really care if your capital increases, no matter if it's a long or a short.
100%, man. When you come on the charts with no expectations, no, if you come on the charts with expectations, and then them expectations aren't met, that's why people get emotional and frustrated. They're like, nah, gold's got to go up today, gold's got to go up. But they keep buying it, it just keeps going down. And they go, fuck, what's wrong with the markets? It's like nothing. You are the issue. Yeah, be an observer and react to what it's doing, absolutely. You just got to follow the markets. If it's breaking to the upside, go long. Yeah, absolutely, Craig. Here to get paid, not to be right all the time. Absolutely, man.
How's Scotland treating you?
Yeah, it's nice, man. It's cold, but it's nice. Yeah, it's nice, man. It's nice. Nice to be back in where I'm staying with my friend Sam. It's nature around here is beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Other than leaving my laptop charger in Newcastle, it's good.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. Oh.
Really good stuff. What's the address? Oh, cool. Give me 2 seconds, guys. My Airbnb guys are actually gonna post it up here next day. Give me 2 seconds. I need to get the address of here. 2 seconds. We got time. This 15's needs to close and it needs to reject more than this anyway. 2 seconds. Go to Ibiza and enjoy some sun there. Yeah, it's not a bad shout. Yeah, I would take the 30 flip definitely. We do also have to be wary that you know, the more we do push down here, the more this hourly is at hourly resistance. But you know, taking the 30 flip is great, because if it doesn't flip, then you respect this resistance and we go short. But if it does flip, cool, you got an easy drive. But yeah, this 15 is looking like we're gonna get a pretty bearish close. A pretty bearish close. And you do have some equal hourly lows here. So if we do get like a big 30 fake out and an hourly rejection, you actually could have a pretty big short. Like, you know, all the way, where are we? So if you can flip somewhere around here, all the way down to it's like a 58 tick range trade, and still to see if you can come down to that more. But if that 30 does flip, or look like it's going to flip, yeah, absolutely, I'll take the longs. 15 is about to close pretty bearish though. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. You have that trend line coming down, which makes me get skeptical of shorting it. But yeah, I do think we could like pull back down into here, and then I think buys up into that overall would be a really nice trade. That's my kind of, yeah, that's my thought process for the day. Come down into here before then seeing like a really nice big push up. No top weakness 15 just yet. Let me go back to the 5. Yeah, little trend line going up, yep. I agree. You have a lot of equal lows down here as well. And here, a lot of equal lows. If we do get the shorts, I think we get sells into there easily. Could this be just a pre-London false move up to then see London sell this off? And yeah, well, I need a top wick on this 15 if I'm going to sell it. So this could come back into play again. There you go, trend line coming up like that. So if you start to bounce off this again, yeah, more people will jump in longs. But we need a top wick on this 15. Yeah, if we don't get a top wick on this 15, we may have to see a 30 fake out. What day is it today? Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday. Wednesday today. The 30 fake out could actually be pretty nice. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does also start to potentially get choppy from here to here. But I think it's more so if this does close with a nice 30 fake out like here, that the hourly will also be closing pretty nice. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours not the best. Big up. It's a big rejection. Yeah, no, that's my favorite. Yeah, my favorite's when you got liquidity on both sides and all the time frames start aligning. Like you look at the 5, you look at the 30, you look at the 50, you look at the hourly, like they all start to make sense together. I don't have that just yet. You know, because this hourly, you know, if this hourly does close like this, to be fair, an hourly top wick for a potential evening star risk off that high, that could actually be a very nice play.
I like that.
Yeah,
That's
I like
nice.
that. I kind of like that more actually.
Good target.
Yeah, really good targets.
Target?
Decent stops.
What target?
Decent stops. Decent risk to reward. Which is 11 minutes till it closes, which is also coming into the London Open as well. 15's just come up to create a top wick. You just come up, create that little top wick. I still think you're going to grab some highs first. Potential little head and shoulders up there as well. False resistance. Potential liquidity grab. Retest. Push. Push, push, push. We do want some volume though. You know, we saw that really nice big spike up there, and now just to creep back down. It's like, well, was this just a false move? Yeah, big drop on New York. Yes, yeah, I didn't get that either. It was a big push, huge push, massive rip up, straight back down. And oh no, where is it? No, it's even bigger here. Yeah, here. Huge. Huge. Yeah, in here. Yeah, you kind of create this range from like, what, 9 AM London time, all the way until almost 1 PM. And then... Aaron has London time zone. Do you prefer it over Australian time zone? Yeah, I do, man. Yeah, I do. I do like it more, actually, man. I'm more of a morning person, man. I like to get up and do my thing in the morning. I still like it in Australia. You know, you can kind of have it the opposite way. Australia is great. You know, if you work a full-time job and you're trying to grind and trade on the side, it's great because you can do that job during the day and trade in the evening. But yeah, for me, I like to wake up first thing and have the coffee, get on the charts, and be more productive, man, for sure. I think Europe would be even nicer.
Same as you.
Yeah, morning people, man. So I think just being in Europe and just being that, like, just 1 hour ahead of London would actually be really nice. So I'm looking forward to going to Europe this weekend and experiencing that. Yeah, I do love a good financial. Nah, it's all good, man. You're good. You talking about, man. Yeah, so being somewhere in Europe, just that extra hour ahead would be amazing. I never heard of it, man. I've never been.
I did send you that. Is it Arnaque in France?
Yeah, it looks beautiful,
I'd
man.
love to go there.
Yeah.
Have you been?
Nah, never.
I'd love to go there.
100%.
I'd love to go there one day. Maybe we could meet Kay there.
Absolutely. And Craig's in France.
Right.
I tried to send it to Craig. I couldn't find your Instagram.
Yeah,
Nah,
we'll have
from
to all
Germany.
meet there.
Alice.
Yeah, well, you got to come to France now. We're all going to France.
Bloody hell.
What's your Instagram, Craig? I tried to send it you yesterday, but I couldn't find you. I can't remember what it was. I tried to send it to you. Oh, that's the one. Yeah. Let me. This is what I'm taking Alad's credit now for his video. But this is what Alad sent me. I was like, oh, maybe this is near you. It looks bloody beautiful. Next trading and traveling video very soon, man. Very soon. I have loads of footage actually. I just need to edit it. I have loads. I just need to go through it all. You been to the States? Yeah, I have, man. I've been to. I mean, I went to New York when I was too young to remember it. I was like 14 or something, which isn't that young, but I don't really remember it. And I went to San Francisco like 2 years ago or something, which was pretty cool. I love the States, man. I want to explore it more, that's for sure. If you really break this low here, could you see the push down? 14. Going over to Barcelona, man, for a couple of days, and then flying back to Australia next Wednesday, I think. Next Wednesday or next Thursday? When is it? Maybe next Wednesday. When is it? 14th. Yeah, next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Flying back to Australia. We may as well wait for this hourly close now, guys. May as well wait for it. No point trying to take a short here. This hourly could top wick, which would pull back into here before then seeing our overall shorts. Sure, it's pretty. The weather, definitely. The weather, definitely. Yeah, this one. Shorts here were really nice, man. Yeah. Grabbed the highs, closed bearish, had a nice dip. Yeah, sometimes you get some pretty decent pushes in London around like 5:30 or 6:30. You can see some nice pushes. It's too early for me. Actually, no, yeah, these are huge buys. What was that? Yeah, there you go, 5 a.m. Big fake out and a massive rip. Like a big 5-minute fake out. How'd that look on? Yeah, look at that, 15. Grabbed the lows, held the support, bottom wicked, ripped. Yeah, ripped. It's too early for me. What do I do when I travel? Sightsee whilst you trade? To be honest, like very similar to what I do back home. You know, I trade as normal, and then maybe I'll go do some touristy things in the evening or on the weekends. But I pretty much just trade as normal. I just like to be in a different environment. Mentally, it just helps me with trading. It just keeps me fresh. I don't know why. Like I guess, other things help other people with trading, but for me, yeah, mentally, just being in a new environment all the time, it just keeps me really fresh. Even if I just do the same stuff I would do at home, just doing it in a different country and then still going to experience things during the day, or sorry, during the evening or the weekend. Yeah, I really like it, man. You know, I go on holiday, or say go on holiday. Sometimes I go on holiday, but if I travel and trade, yeah, like most of the time I'm still trading, which to some people could sound really boring, but to me it's like, that's what I love to do, get to trade in another country, and then can do touristy shit on the weekends. Or go for like good food in an evening or something. But during the actual Monday to Friday, yeah, business as always. Yeah, it's true, man. Two minutes here on gold. 2 minutes to this hourly's going to close. Leaving a pretty decent rejection. So a top wick into these areas. And I think we got some nice shorts, depending on how this hourly closes. If it closes too strong, we won't, but if you close somewhere, yeah, somewhere around here. In business class, I see. Yeah, I mean, this time when I flew back to Europe, I did. It was so worth it. is a worthwhile expense. One minute here on gold. No business class on your own jet. What, you fly commercial? You don't even fly private. What the hell?
That's been nice.
Let me get a van down the road. Yeah, that'd be cool, man. 15's trying to flip bullish here, actually. It does, Adam. It pays very well. You can always take withdrawals from demos. "43 seconds here. It's looking a bit too strong for my liking. I don't know what's on me. Yeah, everyone's happy. Absolutely. So 15 just closed bullish. 30's kind of closed bearish, kind of holding some support. Hourly still rejecting these highs, but still kind of closed a bit bullish. 15's giving an instant bottom wick. Kind of a bit messy in here for now. 15 and 30 and hourly kind of. 15's looking like we could push higher. 30-minute doesn't really know what the hell it's doing. 5 minutes trying to hold some support. Hourly's finding some resistance. I mean, if you grab some lows and start breaking the highs, yeah, no, I would look for some longs just as more of a just an anchor, just in case we do rip up. Manage around here, but just in case we do rip up and the 15 does flip bullish and create this nice morning star, then we want to be aware of that. Yeah, could easily come re-grab these highs. Need risk off wherever this low is going to be. Like that. Let's see. Just as more of a trade to get exposed to potential more upside. Just looking at this 15. 15 looks like you could reverse higher. Now I look at the 30 and the 30 goes, oh, maybe you could re-grab the lows. It's really tricky in here. And this is also now an hourly instant bottom wick. Is this a bottom wick to reflip bullish? I mean, if you grab 30 lows, start breaking lows. Sorry, man, you go on.
Not a simple one this morning.
Nah, not quite, not quite. Unless we start grabbing these lows and then re-break the highs, then I think we could go long.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we grab 30 lows and then re-break higher, then I think that would make sense. I want to take the sells, but there's no. The fact that there's no top wick on this hourly, if you grab these lows, you now have 3 equal highs. We also have a big trend line coming down. It's the only thing that kind of makes sense to me right now. Next destination on my bucket list. Too sure, to be honest, man. I'm not too sure. I don't really have anything on the bucket list right now. Any ideas would be great, but I don't have anything on the bucket list just yet, man. Yeah, we're going to space, yeah. We're taking Goldie to the moon. Oh. Yeah, Japan would be cool, man. Yeah, Japan would be very cool.
I'm literally looking at those free return flights from Melbourne right now.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Jetstar.
It's crazy. That's got fucking 9 of them.
Free return.
Yeah, Australia Jetstar were doing a deal. You can fly to Japan and get free returns.
What?
May next year, 440 Australian dollars.
Yeah, that's crazy. So
Holy
cheap.
cow.
Fucking hell, gold. They don't give us a topic in this hourly. I suppose that's catching the volume. Yeah, I like that, Craig. Yeah, it makes sense, man. You kind of literally just done it right now. We just couldn't get a little top wick in this alley to be able to get these shorts, could we? Which makes me wonder, is this going to be one big liquidity grab? Iceland? Yeah, Iceland would be definitely cool, man. Yeah. Iceland would be very cool.
Strong 5 minute. Could go up to those highs.
I know. Iceland is best. Yeah, Iceland would be cool. Iceland would be cool. That's typical Jetstar. Yeah, I would like that, mate. Yeah, that would be cool, man. The fact that there's like little to no top, I mean, there's a tiny top wick on this 30 minute, but the fact that you're grabbing the 30 lows, you get a strong 5 minute close here, you can have fake out buys into that 30 minute and hourly reflipping bullish and creating more of a top wick. Anywhere closing back above here, and you could have 5 minute fake out buys for that 30 to grab the lows, hold the support and drive higher. You kind of see we are in a bit of an ugly range, but same as yesterday, same as every day. 1 5 minute candle can change everything. Can change everything. Yeah, it's teasing around that trend line. Are you reflipping back bearish here on gold? I don't know what gold's up to here, to be honest. Trying to push down, trying to push up. Visit China, man. Yeah, China would be cool. Yeah, China would be very cool, man. Yeah, that'd be a crazy trip. That'd be something good. It'd be like completely new and different. Yeah, Japan and China would be cool. Yeah. Shanghai. Yeah, well, I'm actually on my way back to Australia. Stopping off in Shanghai. Only for like in the airport for about like 8 hours or something. Let's see if we're gonna get a 5-minute fake out here. 30 minutes starting to leave a nice rejection. Yeah, I think so, Craig. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. I've never flown with them before, but yeah, they were like one of the others that came up. So hopefully they're good. Gonna get bottom weight here on gold. Bottom weight, you could take like kind of risky entry into that 30 flip. A little bit more though. Because you could literally have an easy stop over there. Come down a little bit more though. A little bit more. It is risky because you haven't closed above this yet, but I still think you're at least going to grab these highs. And you're also trying to get this into the 15 and 30 close. If we don't get the entry on this 5 minute, that's fine. We'll wait for the 15. There's not much of a bottom weight for me to want to take it there. Could have been enough though, but a little bit more. The 15 starting to wick back up here now. Same as the 30. What do you have from here up into these highs? 15, 16, up into there, 40. Yeah, very. Oh, I've traveled in first class. Yeah, I did when I came back to Europe this time round. It was very nice. Very nice. 15's still looking quite bearish. It's a nice 15 rejection, but it's still quite bearish. Nah, I'm not yet, man. Nah, not yet. Not yet. I really want to see this 5 minute get back above this level so that 15 has a nicer rejection. Having the right time zone? Yeah, having the right time zone is good. So I'm on London time zone at the minute. But it depends, it depends, you could, well, I mean for me, because I stream with you guys in London, but it's like, I could go live anywhere and trade London or New York, pretty much anywhere. Do you not closing above just yet? We need that closure above. Otherwise, if this closes back below after regrabbing the highs, 15 could actually close bearish. So it's gone from looking like you're going to get a nice 15 rejection to actually the 15 could actually close pretty bearish here. Yeah, it's going to close bearish. Tricky day on Goldie. Tricky day. Again, this is why it's so important to watch all the time frames. You just watch this 5, you're getting chopped up right now. You look at the 15 and 30 over here, but it's not really showing too much just yet. Other than the 15 is about to close very bearish. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. I know. Gold is golden. Yeah, gold is golden. Go on, give us a nice strong 5-minute close here, gold. Be good to us. Nice strong 5-minute close. Yeah, go on. Close nice and strong. Nice and strong here, and then we could be good. I know it does. You got trend line coming up down here and the overall upside as well. It's like, can you need to fake out in any direction? Grab the lows, and you go long. Grab the highs, and you go short. You're kind of just in the middle of it right now. This is looking to be a pretty nice 15 close actually now. 15 bottom wick or not? No, no worries. Yep, there you go. If you get more of a 15 bottom wick here. So you could look for a flip of this body, 16 tick stop, and see if you can get this to continue pushing up, which I may look to put in a second. Let's see. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Oh, my spread's like 1. Nice. See, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, I'm putting a buy stop in on the flip of this body here on gold. Oh, wrong size, wrong size. If this 5 doesn't flip, I will wait, but this is a pretty decent bottom wick. But I want to start to see the 15 start to reject from around here. On the futures, you're looking around 33.5. 33.5. And I believe if this can flip bullish, and this 15 does flip bullish, you're going to see gold come all the way up into here. Yeah, that's like a 40 tick trade. But if you come too close to these lows, the 15 may re-grab them. I want to see the 15, to be honest, start to reject from here. You come too close to that low and you'll re-grab that low, and I'll just cancel the buy stop. I want to see you start to reject from here. The nice thing is you've created the top wick, now creating the bottom wick, so if you come back up, you should push. If you don't, well that's fine, just cancel the order. You're coming almost a bit too close to them previous 15 lows soon. Let's see. You come quite close to them lows. And you're trying to get this buy into that 30 reflip and bullish as well, and this could be a nice 30 bottom wick. Oh, we've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I read someone to the toilet as well. Future still, future hasn't tagged me in yet. I don't get tagged today. My order's still at 33.5. The body opposed the high, because if the body's gonna flip bullish, you'll probably just re-break the high as well. It'd also be the body of the 15. How long have we got to this 5 second close? 1 minute 30. If it doesn't flip in this 5, I'll just cancel. I want to see this 5 give us volume. Give us volume, Goldie. What are we risking? We're risking about 16. How we got 40 seconds, 1 minute. Like I say, if it doesn't flip in this current 5, I will cancel. Uh, 33.6. Yeah, my entry, my order's at 33.5. Actually, 33.5. And we got 30 seconds now. Just cancel. I'm cancelling. We're not driving. I'm cancelling. We're not driving. I wanted this 5 to flip and have a nice drive. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna run to the toilet. 2 seconds. What are you up to, Goldie? What are you up to? Five minute just closed. Fucking hell. 5 minute just closed back below. You have no bottom wick on this current 5. 15 still trying to flip though. It's a shame there's no bottom wick on this 5 because that 15 is still trying to flip, which is the entry is based off the 15, not the 5. I'm not in it, guys. I cancelled. If there was a bottom wick on this 5, I would take longs here, because like I say, it's based off the 15. But with not even a 5 bottom wick, it's kind of tricky. 15. Yeah. Oh, that's really annoying. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so, man. I think that can actually be really nice. As long as you don't rip, that could be really nice. Why can't we flip from that fucking 5, could we? We had to close below and then give no bottom wick on this 5. And now the 15's flipping. If this 5 gave a bottom wick, I would consider, taking the break of these highs. But because you got no bottom wick, could you grab these highs and push down? I don't know. But that was our...
It'd be nice if it was a real strong 5 and then coming back for a wick.
Yeah. As long as we don't grab these highs, strong close here, bottom wick and out is still valid.
Yeah.
Yeah, my entry was at 33.5. I cancelled. This is what I'm skeptical of. I would normally take the break of these highs as like a liquidity play, But when there's no bottom wick on this 5, I will not. So even if we did take the break of this high, with no bottom wick on that 5, we'd be out of break even anyway. So that's all right. So if you guys did keep the order in, because there's no bottom wick on this 5, that should break even. Yeah, 15 was trying to flip bullish as well. Yeah, I think the 30 could actually give that, man. Yeah, I think that could give that.
That's it.
Playing hard to get. Yeah, it's just the volume. I think we just have. There's not a whole heap of volume today. Yeah. Anyway. 8:45, 8:50 is our prime time recently.
Oof.
Look at that. I still think we're going to come up more.
Ew.
To 30, 35 more minutes. 30 still looking alright. 30 still looking potentially promising. Same as the hourly. Remember, this hourly doesn't have much of a top wick yet. This could easily be bottom wick into this hourly to reflip bullish and have it to drive all the way up into 2400. Yeah, 5 minutes still closed above. Did you get a little bottom wick there or not? You get one now anyway. Starting to get some volume here. What would that look like? You take the flip, you probably have to have stops here. You're still trying to get still basically the same entry as the 15 flip. Oh, I don't have any others in here, guys. No, I don't think anyone has actually asked it nicely to play ball. I'm not in this, guys. I haven't put any orders in here yet. I'm trying to come up here on gold. But yeah, 30's rejecting very nicely here now. This is what we've been talking about. I may just take a long in a second and risk off the current 5 low because you're at least going to re-grab them lows. Let's see, 3 minutes. You get it all shaved off, Mark. Number 1, all over.
You wouldn't.
Bro, no one cares about your fucking fair value gaps, man. No one cares. Fucking hell. Typical ICT trader thinking he knows it all. See you later.
DM me. I want to learn more.
Typical ICT trader thinking he knows exactly where it's going to go and exactly what it's following. Fucking painful. Needs to close above the fair value gap, bro. Shut the fuck up. No one cares. If you know it all, you shut up and go trade it yourself. No one gives a shit.
Yeah, why are you watching these streams?
Fucking painful. ICT coded the algorithm.
He's being kidnapped.
It's so painful.
I miss the waves guy.
It's so
He was
painful.
from Oz, wasn't he?
Yeah. He's marked, mate, I think.
I miss King Judah.
He in now, not in that. 15 coming back down here. 5 minute. Straight back down. I'm beginning to feel attacked. Nah, you're not attacked. It's just when the ICT traders come in and they basically, they word it as if they know exactly what's going to happen. They're like, no, don't go long. We're not above this fair gap. It's like, you don't know exactly what's going to happen. All you do is react. But they just, all or 90% of ICT traders act as if they know where price is going to go. And that's what's fucking stupid. It's like the only trading strategy where people act as if they literally know everything. Like they know some sort of secret fucking algorithm. It's so painful. It's the only strategy in the whole trading industry where the ICT traders act like absolute morons. And in this situation, look, I told you it was going down, but yeah, it hadn't closed above a fucking resistance level. It's so painful. It's like a fucking cult that none of them are profitable or ever shown profitability.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, it's true. The fact it was holding strongly. Yeah, it had nothing to do with the fact that it was support and resistance either. 15 bearish close, also 30 bearish close. Could you go short again now that you're going to get that 30 strong close? Ooh, it's an instant top wick. An instant top wick. Where's the fair value gap though? I can't really see it. Instant top wick on the 30. You could short the flip of this 5, but where's your targets? Where's your targets? You could short something like this. The target's trying to get down here, but you know, look at this big support level here. I'm not taking this, guys. I don't like it. I don't like it because you short here. Well, you're shorting right into 30 support. Messy, messy, messy.
I hope gold is up because I wouldn't mind going to play golf this morning. Gold.
Could be an expensive golf session though. As soon as you decide to play golf, gold goes to the moon.
I'll stay for a bit then.
Too much chop day, not worth. Yeah, nah. There's a lot of chop. To be honest, I wouldn't watch it. Now we're doing I think we're going to do a New York session on Friday.
If
On Friday.
I'll be here.
I'm not taking this one though, guys. I'm not taking it. I just don't like how you come straight into 30 support. It's just too messy for me. The volume today, you know, you've had a nice push down, you push back up, trying to push back down. But you literally have support right here as well. So you're going from one level to the other. Catch you guys in the morning. Yeah, all good, man. See you tomorrow, man. Smash my gloves and then my laptop. Coming for a break from ICT, yeah, nice. It's not even ICT himself. It's just the ICT traders who act like they know exactly what the market's gonna do. So if you were in this, you start to come into these areas. You know, you would have to manage soon, and you're only hitting 7 ticks. You're trying to drive it down into here. You're now going to big 30 support, so you would have to be managing this now. But I'm not in size. But break even, yeah, nice. Yep, nice. Check for the white fan stalking you. What a ridiculous story that was.
Great scalp.
Yeah, job done. Why are people hating ICT? Did you not just listen to anything I just said? Did you not listen to anything I literally just said? I said it's not ICT, it's the people who trade ICT who act like it's a cult following. You didn't short a fair value gap, you shorted a level of support and resistance. Something that's being used before you were even born. Before ICT even knew what a fucking candlestick was. I'm about to fucking I'm about to fucking leave. That's it. Everyone's going in the sin bin. Everyone's getting timeout. How's that 5 close? About 5 close. You get a decent top wick here on this 5, then I'd short it because you're actually getting more of a breakout here. So you've had a 5-minute breakout now, which is a bit nicer than trying to take this one, because taking this one where you were straight into this support, we've now broken that level. So what would the break of this low give us? And I would take the break of the low because the 30 and 15 is coming into that support. The break of the low down into here is 20 ticks. I do think I get out of bed for 20 ticks. I think I do. Let me see. Yeah, I'm putting a sell on the break of this low here on gold. I want though, in order for this trade to be valid, this 5 has to flip and drive. Has to flip and drive. If it doesn't flip and drive, then we will manage. Got it in around, I just got filled there at 30.7. 30.7. I will cut the trade if this current 5 doesn't have a nice drive down. I want to see volume here. I want to see volume. Futures are trying to flip here already. Futures is trying to flip. In order, like I say, in order for me to want to hold this, we have to push with volume. If we close doji, I'll just get out. I want to see that volume continue into here, into this liquidity down here. Wait, did he just say liquidity? Risking no more than above the previous 5 high, which is around like 23. But once this 5 does flip and grab the lows, I will probably, be looking at somewhere like that. I'll probably manage here, around here. You get back above there, I'll get out there. Same fill? Yeah, nice. Give us that volume, Goldie. Give us that volume. Yeah, around this area we'll manage, which will be around about 12. Yeah, wrong way, Goldie. This is what we don't want to have. We don't want to see it just go sideways. We want to see this tag us in and push. We've got 2 minutes though. We've got 2 minutes. I only got to this 15. 6 more minutes. Yeah, this 5's key. My entry's better than that. My entry's like literally right on the flip. Like I say, if this 5 doesn't actually close bearish, I'll just get out. Where's the volume today, gold? Where's the volume? Yeah, 15's looking good, man. Yeah, 15's looking good. But the next 15 could give us a top wick and a better entry, so that's why I want to see this 5 drive. If this 5 doesn't drive, the next 15 could come up more. The next 15 could come up, tap into this fair value gap here, and then push lower. Nothing to do with this support and resistance. It's a fair value gap that it will tap into. So yeah, just be wary of that. Re-breaking the lows now. Let's see how we close. I'm just gonna wait for the close. I'm not gonna manage it or do anything just yet. I want to see this close. Alright guys, we're hitting a fair value gap here, so get ready to manage. All the ICT traders behind the screen. Yeah, we actually are though. We actually are. That's the thing. I'll put about 10 ticks on this trade. I'm going to bring my stop to below this current 5 high in a second, like this. But I'll probably manage if we come back to break even. I want to see this next 5 open and push down. I'm up about 200 and 220 on this position, 400, 500 on personal. Instant bottom wick, so yeah, I'm going break even here, guys. I'm going break even. Break even. I want to see this push. If we come back to our entry, we'll probably just range. I am a break even. My entry on the futures is perfect. 30.7, literally right on the body. It's a very nice entry. I'm trying to target these lows here and for us to spike back down into, remember that head and shoulders we talked about earlier. What are we at, about 13, 14? Remember guys, I have no hard TP in, never set a hard TP. Because if we can grab these lows, we could spike them pretty aggressively. So don't limit yourself. I'm about 300 here on the top step. If this 5 minute starts to flip bullish, I will look to get out. But then I'm going to get ready to close here in a second. Okay, wait there. Fingers on the trigger to potentially get out of here in a second if it comes back up to create a new high. Because we're coming into pretty decent support where the next 5 could top wick more. And so could the 15. Yeah, all right, I'm out there. I just closed as it was failing to drive and coming back up. I just closed about $380 on personal, 220 on futures. I'm out there. Only ran 12 ticks, but we're coming into strong support. We're not really driving just yet. The 15 could still give us a top wick, which could stop us out. So we may as well just lock it in and wait. So I just closed about 12 ticks there. I'm out.
What a guy.
Yes.
What a guy.
The fair value gaps fucking worked again. Yeah, I'm out there, guys. I'm out.
Right.
That'll do.
ABC wave was perfect.
Not the not the
Yes.
biggest. Oh, there you go. Now you push, you stupid motherfucker. now you push. But it's alright. I think the 15 will still give more of a top wick before grabbing these lows. Then that top wick could have got us at break even. So I'd rather just lock in the 12 ticks and wait. So it took about About 381 on personal. And then on top step, I got 220. So about 11 ticks on the futures, about 12 on personal. We'll take it. I had literally 0 drawdown in that position. Fair value gaps do it again. Look at that. 3% in the bag. Yep, good work. Awesome. Told you it was a fair value gap. Yeah, I told you. I told you it was a fair value gap. I knew it was a fair value gap before you did.
Did he say that? Yes.
I told you it was going down based off a fair value gap and silver bullet. You didn't listen.
Dear Lord. Yeah. Dear Lordy.
Terrible trader, not disciplined to let the play run while your stop was at break even. You're so stupid. Again, you're so stupid you don't even listen to anything I just said. You're the type of trader who thinks when you're at break even, that's it, you know, risks off the table and you can just chill. That's how stupid you are.
No such thing as a free trade.
Absolutely, man. No such thing.
Your mother?
Yeah, that's the clan. There you go, bro.
Into him, Sean.
Try to roast me for ICT concepts, bro. I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. I didn't roast you, no. I couldn't give a shit about you. Don't talk like an idiot, then not expect it back, you moron. And now you can go in the sim bin for 10 seconds actually, and then you can think about what you've done. Only 10 seconds though. Come back after 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Sim.
Can you sim bin me quickly? I want to see what it looks like.
Yeah, go on. I can sim bin you for 10 seconds.
I didn't even know you sim bin me.
Yeah, you got sim bin, yeah.
Yeah. I was like,
Sim bin,
from
please.
the
Alright.
internet.
10 seconds. Yeah, I want to see what it looks like as well actually. Oh shit, I just pinned your message by accident.
1v1 first dom in there.
Let's see. You get 10 seconds. In the gulag. Yeah, it's a good trade. It's a good trade. You know, it wasn't the biggest trade, but it was good. You know, we finally broke out of. You know, we broke back below this support, which is good. This is what I wanted to see. So I didn't take this one. I wanted to see this one actually break out. And once we did break out, amazing. I was happy to take that one into these lows. But once you start to reject, and this is the last 5 of the 15. The 15 can now easily top wick up into here, stop you at break even before having the real push. So to not close that trade and hope that the 15 doesn't stop you out at break even is just stupid. Either don't go break even or lock in the profits and re-enter. It's pretty simple. So that's why, you know, that's why we get out there. Look at this 15. Is our entry at a level where price could retest before going lower? 100% it is. We could easily come up into here before pushing down. So why would you not secure that trade? Of course you're going to secure that trade. It doesn't matter if it's 12 ticks, 1200 ticks. We're at a level where we're reacting off support. Lock in the trade. If we get another entry, amazing. But based off the volume so far today, I'm happy to lock that in.
Jeez Louise. I bet you still took that trade though.
Yeah, of course he did. He definitely did. He definitely did. He didn't get a good fill, so I think he didn't get a good fill, so he wasn't very happy. He's probably making another channel right now as well. But yeah, it's a good trade. I'm happy with that trade. I'll take it.
You're doing this for free. You're making money for people for free, and you're still getting hit.
Yeah, you can't win.
I just don't understand it. Jesus Christ. You're giving free money away and you're still getting hit.
It's a trading industry, man. No, also. But it's always the people who aren't actually profitable, who say they're profitable, but they wouldn't come on stream and prove it. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, man? I'm here for that. Yeah, me too. I'm having a great morning. Would have been break even. There you go. Nice. Yeah, good work, man. Yeah, he burnt his account for sure. Yeah, 11 ticks is enough. No, it's a good trade. Good trade. We'll take it. Can't complain. I made $400 in about 5 minutes. blue as it can for sure. Absolutely. What time at 15? It's 30. Still pushing down here on Goldie. Mess up my psychology. Yeah, when it gets to a point of like growing more, yeah, I mean, we very rarely have. We got loads of good people in here. Yeah, if it ever got to a point where it's huge, I just wouldn't do it. Nah, not the biggest, Sean. It's close though. To be fair, in the amount of time, yeah, I'd probably say so, man. I'd probably say so. No, not futures, man, but does gold like, you know, one tick spreads. 3.1k today, yeah, I'm sure you did. I bet it was on a funded demo account as well, you fucking idiot. You show me a live account of you making 3.1 thousand today, and I'll pop it up on stream, and we'll give you the glory. No way you made 3.1 thousand on a personal account. You know you didn't either. You're probably on like phase 1 of a challenge or something that you think is real money. That's how stupid you are. We've all been there, man. Welcome to week 1 of trading. Good to have you on board, man. If you made 3.1 thousand today, you wouldn't be sat here crying about me taking a 12 tick trade. Let me send a picture. Well, go on then. Upload it to a. You don't need me to let you send it. Just send it. Upload it to a file. Send a link, and then we'll all have a good laugh. Don't take too long though, because I know what you like on Photoshop. Exactly. Photoshop for Mac. Web Photoshop. Let's see. We're still pushing down here. 15 still pushing down here on gold. I'm probably just going to wait for this. We'll wait for this hourly close, and then I'll give you guys what we're looking at for the rest of the day. And we'll see what we get. You're the undisciplined trader. I know, man. I'm so undisciplined.
Like, how? How does he work that out?
No, he's just stupid. It's so easy to tell. Discord, I'll send it. I ain't adding you on Discord. Send it on here, you idiot. You don't need Discord. But you got to be quick though, because you're kind of boring me now. So get on with it. There you go. You just grab them lows there on gold. 15 just grab the lows. 30 still pretty bearish though. I think if you get a decent 30 close here, hourly fake out. Maybe there's not much of a top wick on that, but hourly fake out, and we still could come down to that overall head and shoulders here. But with the way that we've been so far today, how choppy we've been, I don't think I'll be taking another trade in here. Yet. Yeah, if you want longs on gold, wait for it to get back above there, and then you can take the longs. But anywhere in like here to here, it kind of gets pretty ugly. It can get very, very choppy in here. But yeah, you did end up hitting the lows. If you did hold it, well done. I was happy to lock it in. What did you get? You got around 20. Oh my god, I closed 8 ticks early. Fuck. I closed 8 ticks early.
See, if you were disciplined,
God.
you'd have had that.
ICT would have never closed early.
No, ICT would never. I hope he doesn't see this either, because he's going to be so disappointed in me. Fuck.
Dear me.
I'm going to have to revenge trade the US session now today. You leave me no other choice but to trade US session.
Are you joking me?
You're still rabbiting on, and you haven't sent one screenshot of you showing a live account of you making 3.1 thousand. Not one piece of proof, and you're still rabbiting on. I can show you full proof of me making $10,000 the other day. then you're still rabbiting on. Photoshop takes a bit of time. Yeah, it does. That's true. Make it easy for me to send. Literally, this is how stupid you are. Go onto Google. So Google's like this online search engine. It's really good. Go onto Google, type in image to URL. And then what you do is you drag in your image, drop it in there, and send in the link. I always have to spoon feed you everything. I ain't uploading no link to some Google Drive. What are you talking about? All right, you had your chance. You had your chance to prove yourself in front of almost 200 people, and you took too long. So now you can go into Simbin again. But make another channel though. Make sure you make another channel and come back again. And we can have another conversation. But think about what you've done for at least 10 minutes.
Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you.
All good, man. All good.
Yeah, I'll speak to you later. Let me know if you want to play poker.
Yeah, sound man. I'll let you know.
Sweet.
Talk to you soon, man.
Alright, have a good one, fam.
You too,
See
man.
guys.
See you, mate.
Soon. Bye.
See you, buddy.
Bye-bye. Google. Yeah, we'll just wait for this hourly close, and I'll show you guys what we're looking at for the rest of the day. It's still pushing down here nicely on gold, but you have a lot of highs that I think you can come and grab. Full search. a win in a free comedy session.
Aaron, have you ever followed Raj Banks?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Watched him?
Yeah.
He just dropped 50 lots, went negative 12 ticks straight away. So like lost $7,000 or something.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
closed it. It just doesn't bother him at all.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. I watched him trade. I watched him trade NFP. When was it? Last Friday. And his balls of steel to hold in drawdown before NFP was insane, man. It was like minus. I can't remember, like 10 to 15,000, and then smashed it.
Yeah, it's mad. Like he's such a good trader. Like lost $7,000 then, and I think he's showing it now. He's 35,000 US up for the month.
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Man,
It's crazy. Yeah, 50 lots is insane, man. 50 lots is insane.
Does he own the broker though?
There it is. There it
he
is.
trades for value gaps.
Yeah, lost. Yeah, I remember that. Literally, like lost like 50,000 in seconds. It was insane. 50,000 in seconds was nuts. Yeah, honestly, you get to that level, I think you've probably just seen the numbers change so much all the time. It's literally just so numb. But it's good though. Getting to a point of trading 50 lots, fuck, we'll get that one day. It's insane. 50 lots is crazy. If you're trading 50 lots though, fuck, you have to trade futures. You have to. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, change the dollar to ticks. Yeah, for sure. You can do that on TradingView as well. Where is it? You can do that here. I don't know. I don't think you can do it on. Can you do it on top? Yeah, you can. Yeah, change it to ticks, not money. Yeah, definitely will help, man. Definitely. 100%. Wait, no. Where is it? Wait. Was that it? Yeah, change it to ticks. Yeah, it will help, but like at the same time, you're like. Mind will subconsciously relate it to the dollar amount without even realizing. So kind of seeing the numbers and just kind of getting numb to it is also a good thing as well. Now, honestly, if it gets to a point where I'm trading that, there's no way. I mean, with you guys, 100% on YouTube. Unless I turn them off, no way. No way. Yeah, I agree, Craig. Yeah, I agree, man. Yeah, all good, Sean. See you next time, man. Yeah, I was thinking even if I changed it to ticks, you know, trading like 20 lots or something, I would still be thinking like in my mind how much would it actually be without even trying to. So kind of getting numb to both of them is still good. The guy said, look, I've got the screenshot, and where it says message or trace, guys, I didn't delete that message, he deleted that message. So he said he had the screenshot and then he deleted that message. So it's almost been like, what, maybe 20 minutes since you've rabbited on, and now I just don't really care, bro. You had your chance. Your Photoshop screenshot obviously wasn't very good enough. Now you can go for 24 hours. And also, why do you have like like 5 different channels? He's got like every time I put him in the sim, but he comes back on another channel. A scammer for sure. Here he look, he's back again. Yeah, he made a date tabber for sure. 50. Once we get this hourly close, guys, we'll see what we've got for the next hour, and then we'll probably call London there. But it's looking like it's going to be a nice close. Conditions where I can set stop loss above a candle rather than liquidity grab. So it's bro. So when I take like say if I take a 5-minute entry, and if like say for in this example, because you haven't grabbed like a previous 5 high or low here, you kind of have the risk of the previous, because the next 5, like even if this didn't drive, the next 5 could come up, grab the highs and then push down. So you could short it from here and then risk off that high. But when you haven't done that until all the way back up here, then it's kind of hard to put your stop loss above a previous high. Because you can always, you know, you'll always come down, you'll grab some 5-minute lows before the push. And that could stop you out before it actually has the real push. So if you've already grabbed the previous 5 high or low, like for instance here, like let's say for whatever reason, you bought gold here, well that's a very valid stop, because it grabbed the previous lows and then pushed. Whereas if it hadn't grabbed the lows and it closed like around here, buying it from here and risking off that low would be too risky, because you get this liquidity grab with the previous lows and then you have the big push. So it all depends if you've grabbed the previous 5 high or low or not. But let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this hourly. Let me send this into Discord before I forget. Let me send this. Take a look at this. Take a look at this hourly. Let's get rid of this. 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 So it kind of followed what we spoke about when we first started the call, where we're looking to get these shorts into this left shoulder, this head, and that right shoulder before seeing that push back up later. So I do believe for the next hour or so on gold, you'll probably continue pushing down into here, but that's almost like fulfilled that pretty much downside that we wanted. It's pretty crazy. There's no real top wick on that hourly. That's why shorting that was also kind of risky, but to get that little pull back into them lows, that's all that trade was. And if we do want longs overall, because I do believe we can come up and grab this liquidity, ideally we want to see price based off this hourly closing bearish. We want to see a fake out from here. You get a fake out from here on gold after you create this sort of head and shoulders. Amazing, you got fake out buys all the way up into 2400 and eventually back up into here as well. If you want shorts on gold, personally, this is going to be my no trade range. I'm not going to trade in here. You can see how ugly it gets in here. And it's not only here. You can actually see from, where are we? From this area, you also do have that there as well. So you have 2 very ugly areas in here. Whereas if you do close above, the buys to here will be much easier. Same as if you break back below here, sells into that's also going to be an easy trade. So the easiest trades for me for the rest of the day on gold is once you fake out and you get like a nice bullish closure, maybe back above here, you got buys into 2400 and back up into here, and vice versa with the sells. So that'll be me it for the London session, guys. You guys on Zoom will do the pre-New York market call, but for me here on London, I'm happy to call it there, lock it in, and let that trade be done. And it was a good session. And now I'm going to literally wait for an hourly closure with a bit more volume either direction. We'll see which way we break out. And yeah, you guys on Zoom, I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Cheers, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Cheers, guys. Thanks for the popcorn, absolutely. Cheers, guys. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. You guys have my analysis for the rest of the day. A bit of a choppy London session today. You can kind of see we didn't actually do very much. You know, we kind of opened and closed in the exact same place, which is kind of what I was expecting. So yeah, that's going to be me for the day. Hope you guys did get them shorts as well. It's a great trade. If you guys did, we'll be back again live tomorrow, same time. And I'll see you guys then. Trade safe. There's not a lot of volume in here, so don't force it. Lock in your 10 ticks, 12 ticks, and come back for the New York session. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.